Okay, let's talk about the Kodak M590. This is an old digital camera by Kodak, and I want to talk about a major issue. So in case you're looking to get a camera like this, there's a major issue that you need to know about. But let's take a look all around it, and you see this button right here, the Easy Share. All right, so there's Easy Share software that back in the day when these cameras came out, you'll be able to download the Easy Share software from Kodak, and then you'll be able to connect your camera to get your pictures and videos out. But guess what? So if you get this camera in 2025, you're not going to be able to do that. So when you connect the camera, even I tried connecting the camera via the USB cable that came with the camera, you can no longer access the camera unless you have this out. Now there are different softwares out there that you can possibly find, but I wasn't able to find any. But I will show you where you can access your pictures if you have a micro SD card that comes with the camera. Okay, or maybe you bought the micro SD card and you put it in the camera. So the way I'm able to access my photos, as long as they're on this SD card, is by using a card reader. So now I have a card reader by Benfei, and now with this card reader I can easily just put my card into the card reader, and then once it's in there I just turn on my PC and lights up blue, and I can easily access it via my PC without any issues. It works just fine, and you're able to do what you need to do. You can edit your photos and you can do all that. So it's too bad because it's as you can see, it's a nice little camera, and I like the design. I think it looks really cool. Even the little bevel Kodak logo that's on it, I think that's a nice little touch. If you're gonna buy, or if you're thinking about getting an old digital camera, be aware that these things do not talk to each other anymore because it's missing the drivers and the software. There is the card right there. It's being read by my Benfei card reader, and it works just fine. All right, hope you found this useful. Watch another Kodak video right here.